What does communication mean? Communication means the process of sharing information, ideas, thoughts, or feelings with other people. In simple words, communication means exchanging information with others. People communicate in many different ways, such as speaking, writing, body language, or using technology. For example, good communication is important in every relationship. This means people need to share ideas and understand each other clearly. Communication is very important in daily life, school, business, and teamwork. Clear communication helps avoid misunderstandings and builds strong connections. For example, effective communication helps teams work better together. Here are more example sentences. Communication skills are important for success. They used email as their main method of communication. Good communication builds trust between people. In simple terms, communication means sharing information or ideas with others. Easy way to remember. Communication means sharing and understanding information.